The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Calhoun County in central South Carolina, southeastern Lexington County in central South Carolina, northwestern Orangeburg County in central South Carolina, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles southwest of Gaston, or 16 miles south of Red Bank, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Gaston, Sandy Run, Swansea, Pelion, Woodford, Thorpe, New Zion, Silver Lake, and Lexington Acres Pond. This includes Interstate 26 between mile markers 119 and 131.